To perform this activity, you're going to start off in a staggered stance with your weight mainly on the back leg. Weight's going to be mainly through the heel, but also on the base of the big and little toes. Knees going to be soft, hip relaxed, and back relaxed. You're going to reach forward with the arm on the same side as the back foot. As you do this, you're going to avoid rotating back towards the opposite side. In this position, you'll inhale as you reach, and then exhale, allowing your weight to sink down through the back foot further. Then you're going to repeat that, inhaling as you reach, exhaling as you allow your weight to sink down through that back foot side. Once more, inhale as you reach, and then let the weight sink down through the back foot side.